y'all. We sleeping on some chairs. No blanket, but it was some AC up in here a little bit. I say AC, I mean heat up in there a little bit because, it was cold. So I'm like, whatever. I don't know if they gave us blankets or not, but we were sleeping on the floor or in chairs. And that was so uncomfortable. Like, what y'all doing? Please provide us with something better. We are your company. You're wilding.
See your iPhone camera flashing. Please step back, it's my style, you're cramping. You here for long, oh no, I'm just passing. Do you wanna drink? Nah, thanks for asking. Ooh, nah, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, nah, nah, yeah. I am not your homie, not your homie.
What's up, honest thing? What's good? What's up? Turn up. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Anyway, I'm not going to be holding y'all up for too long because I know I be talking and ranting and stuff. But I don't know too many of the details of the story time, so we're just going to get straight through it, period. Within like 4 minutes. So, anyway, so this video was like 5 minutes because my intro, outro, you already know. And then on top of that, I put a little detail in front because, the whole little story. So, yeah, anyway, oh wait. Did I forget anything? Oh, and if you're new to my channel, then what are you doing, baby? Period. Anyway, so this story time is about how we, as in my family, it was me, my mom, my brother, my sister, I believe, and my cousins with their mom, which is also my cousin. So yeah, the whole family, we was all good, what I'm saying. And we was driving somewhere or we were coming back from somewhere. So if we were going somewhere, we were probably like, oh, we're going to turn around because the snow was coming down crazy. Or we was just leaving and we got stuck in the tracks. Either way, we got stuck in some tracks. And we couldn't go nowhere. So they calling the police and stuff to dig us out. Not dig us out, but like, get us out, training. And so they said they're going to move the car early in the morning. They came over, what I'm saying. Within like, I don't know how much time went by. I know it was probably like an hour. I don't know. I was young. I was like in like 4th grade. So this was like 7.5 years ago. I mean, if you want to say no time, so I guess 7 years. Anyway, so they come through and they like we're gonna take you out to the library. I believe it was a police station, and we went through the police station to go to the library. They literally be by each other nowadays. So, I think there's like a library in the police station. Or, yeah, there's a library in the police station. So they said we can stay there overnight and they'll help us get back home. I'm like, I bet. So when they said this, they said the parents had to stay with them. I'm like, huh? What? So me being young and all, I'm like, Mom, they gonna take you from me. And she's like, no, she's gonna come back. I ain't know when she was gonna come back because it's been hours. When I say hours, I mean, I ain't had no phone on me, you know what I'm saying? But it been like 3 hours until she joined us at the library. So, they take us to the library. We sleeping on some chairs. No blanket, but it was some AC up in here a little bit. I say AC, I mean heat up in there a little bit because, it was cold. So I'm like, whatever. I don't know if they gave us blankets or not, but we were sleeping on the floor or in chairs. And that was so uncomfortable. Like, what y'all doing? Please provide us with something better. We are your company. You're wilding. Anyway, so I'm sleeping or whatever, and I think they came in like at night. Like, it was night already, probably around like 9, 10. So they probably came around like 1 in the morning, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So, they come in. I'm like already half dead out here, so I'm like, I don't care. Go back to sleep. Wake back up. Pretty much be all up in there, snooped up, looking like some cousins at grandma's house. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So, that's what happened. And so, yeah. I think that's the end of the video. Is it really? So, yeah, that's what happened. And moral of the story, because that's all I can say. Moral of the story is, if you're going to go somewhere, check the weather first. That's one. 2, make sure you have enough, like, well, not enough, but tires. Make sure your tire is good, you know what I'm saying? Because have the tires with the grip, and once it's gone, the all seasons tires. I don't know what they are exactly, but when I get a car, I will. Yeah. So that's it. And I'll see you in another video, Honest Gang. Peace. Alright, but you know, check out my Instagram at honesty_rainy, period. I'm gonna put it up here. Alright, let me stop before y'all really like record me or something. Like, I ain't trying to be on the internet for those type of reasons. So that being said, I'm gonna see you in another video. Peace.